Hey everybody, this is Kiana and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. So this is actually my first time showing my face here on my channel. So yeah, y'all get to see my face and my messed up looking lashes. But we are going to fix that today because I'm going to be doing my own lash extensions at home. And yes, I'm doing my own lash extensions because I'm trying to save some money. So I got these lashes right here that I'm going to be trying out because I never put color on before. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm also going to show y'all the glue that I'm using right here. This glue is very inexpensive. I only paid like $5 for it. And then I was going to use those lashes, but I end up not because I feel like I just rather use them for another day. But I did end up using the purple and blue ones. And then I'm also going to show y'all the big pack that I got. So these are the really long lashes. These go up to 20 millimeters, which is pretty long. So it's 15 millimeters to 20 millimeters. And you're going to of course need some tweezers for this. And you also need a spoolie as well, which I'll show later on down the video. So these lashes are very, very delicate. You want to be very careful when you peel them off because that sticky double side tape is very strong and you could split them and break them and all that stuff. So this is the longest one that's in the pack. You can see it kind of curves a bit and it comes in a clump. And of course I dropped that, but I compared it to my eyelash, so I wanted to see how long it was because usually I just go for the 16 millimeters, which is the longest one in one of the packs that I had, but I just felt like it was too long. I'm like, I'm not ready for that stage yet, so I decided to go with a smaller length. So I ended up doing the 15 millimeter, which is the shortest one in the pack, and that's actually longer than the lengths that well, not longer, but it's like kind of close to the length that I'm used to. So I was like, I'll just stick with that. So that's what I end up doing for the outside part of my eyes. So I'm just comparing it. Now you can see I barely got any lashes on. So if I could do this, yeah, you could do this. And you see, I was like, yeah, that's the one right there. So the way I put the glue on is a learning curve because you don't want to put too much glue on the lash. Yeah, you don't want to put too much on there because if you put too much, it's going to be all clumpy at the lash line and it can feel itchy and hard and rough and all that stuff. So you want to put just enough where I would say you just dip it. You just dip the lash in the glue and that'll be just enough to apply on the lash. So you want to apply this directly at the lash. You don't want it to sit on the lash line. I mean, not the lash line, the water line, because if you do that, which I did before, it will start itching really bad and it will irritate you. You can't barely close your eyes or open them. Blinking would just be super hard. So make sure that you don't get it on the water line. But as you can see, I'm just dipping that lash right in there and it does come out stringy, so you will have to kind of like break it away a little bit. It has a dry time, I think around like 3 to 4 seconds, so you can kind of move the lash a little bit before it completely dries. And this glue is very strong. Honestly, I was able to make these lashes for me last about 2 weeks before like a couple start falling off or whatever, but they're so quick and easy to do. So that's what I love about this, and I save so much more money because right now I'm just at a stage where I'm trying to like be on the budget. So this is perfect for now to satisfy my lash extension craving without having to break the bank. But after adding the second one, you can see it's already started to kind of come together just a little bit. So now I'm working on the other eye, and it's kind of hard doing it on the other side because you want to make sure that they both match. So you just want to do it on one eye at a time, so that way they both look the same. So I just put the 15 millimeter lash on that side, and yeah, that's pretty much that. Okay, so after adding about 3 lash extensions, now I'm going to go ahead and switch to some color. So I'm using this purple and blue one for the 4th notch on my eye. So it's kind of like a third away of my eye, and I'm just comparing it just to make sure that the length looks good and the color blends in nicely. And I really love the fact that I was able to add that extra color in there. I only added like 1 lash extension to each eye just because I'm really still new to the color. So I wanted to just do something a little low key, so I went ahead and did the same thing, dipped it into the glue and popped it in there, and it just looks so fire right now. Like, that just made a huge difference. So I went ahead and did it on that eye and did it on the other eye, so you can kind of see closely how I put it on, and yeah, it just looks so freaking cool. So I ended up decided to keep it at 1, and then I just filled in the rest of the eyes with just the regular black lash extensions. So I put like 1 more 15mm lash extension right in that area after the color, and then you can see I was kind of having a hard time with it, trying to like keep it on there. So if you do mess up and don't have time to take the lash out, just take it out and just re-dip it and do it again. Okay, so to finish off my lashes, now I'm going with the QUEWEL Sparkle pack, and I didn't show this at the beginning of the video, but I went ahead and went with that to fill in the inside of my eyelashes because they are very thin and sparse. I mean, you barely can even see them, so I wanted something more lighter and kind of like thin out towards the end to kind of get that cat eye effect that I really want. So these are the 10mm ones, which are the second shortest in the pack. And I used the whole cluster, they call them clusters, but I used the whole piece to fill in the rest. Okay, so now I'm just using my spoolie. So this is the spoolie here that I'm using, which you could literally get like a whole pack of them on Amazon for like very cheap, but I'm just using that to brush out my lashes. And you can see the glue is holding everything together, they're not coming out. If 1 or 2 does come out, that's okay, you could just always do it over right quick. But the lashes literally took me like less than maybe 15-20 minutes to do. So that was pretty quick, and the fact of the matter is that I didn't have to pay that much money to get them done. So they were super quick and easy. But otherwise than that, this is how they end up turning out, and they came out so cute. And I'm definitely going to be experimenting with more colors for my lash set for my next one. So that is it. But thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. Thanks for subscribing to my channel so far, for some of y'all who subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then what you waited for? Like, it's free, you know, like, go ahead and do it for me. But anyways, if you like it, don't forget to thumbs up this video, and you know, again, subscribe if you like it. And I hope this is very helpful for y'all. Save your money, and I'll see y'all on my next one. Also, go ahead and follow me on my other social media pages on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. But I mostly use TikTok and Instagram because those are my two main social media pages. So go ahead and follow me there as well. Otherwise than that, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.